upon a time, there was a gator Ala Мо5ус and his neighbor a small bird.
Why are you red?
I'm red because it is hot.
Why don't you swim?
I can drown.
Hold on the tree branch.
I'll get a splinter on my head.
Then put on mitten.
Mitten can get wet.
Then dry it.
It will get over-dried.
Then rumple it.
It will tear.
And patch it up.
The needle will break.
Go to the smith and he will fix it.
But if he gets sick,
Ask for a shaman to cure him.
and if he dies,
Oh my God, what a chatterbox! How is he speaking?
with these words a gator Ala Мо5ус ran up, pulled the tree out, and threw at the bird. мо5ус, I am done, turn me over. мо5ус, I am done, turn me over. мо5ус, I am done, turn me over.
How was he talking still?
мо5ус, I am ready, eat me. Oh, it is dark after light. Oh, it is dark after light. It is light after darkness. Suddenly his dog came up and ate the small bird. Oh, it is dark after light. It is light after darkness. A small bird couldn't fly away till spring. мо5ус, get up and put on your boots and open the door.
What the blazes? Again he's talking.
Ala Мо5ус kicked a wooden cup with a bird inside, and it flew away happy. Thus a bird got spent a long winter in a warm house.